Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix a frozen iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. Having a frozen screen on an Apple iPhone 15 can be frustrating. This issue often occurs unexpectedly in the lock screen, during the startup or update process, or while using apps. The display becomes stuck and doesn't respond to any touch, swipe or tap. Sometimes, it keeps freezing even when you press the buttons. Many things need to be blamed when your iPhone 15 is frozen. Bad screen protector or case, connection conflicts, system glitch, malfunctioning apps, iOS update failure, and hardware damage are some common contributing factors to this problem. Fortunately, there are some methods available to help unfreeze iPhone 15 when the screen freezes up. Simply follow them one by one until you sort your problem out. 1. Clean up your iPhone 15. Here are a few things you can do before heading to further steps. First, make sure the screen is free of debris, hair, and liquid. Second, disconnect the cables attached to your phone. Third, take off the screen protector and phone case your iPhone 15 is wearing. Now, see if your frozen iPhone 15 unfreezes. If not, try the next step to restart the device. 2. Restart iPhone 15 using buttons or AssistiveTouch. When your iPhone 15 freezes, it can be because the system is glitching or crashing temporarily. To test this possibility, the quick way is to do a restart. This can be done via pressing the buttons or going through the AssistiveTouch. Just follow the trick that's easy for you to do. To restart a frozen iPhone 15 using buttons, press the volume down button and power button together. Then, swipe the power off slider to the right to turn off the device. A few seconds later, keep pressing the power button to turn iPhone 15 back on. To restart a freezing iPhone 15 using AssistiveTouch, tap the little gray circle. Select device. Choose More. Tap Restart and confirm by tapping Restart again. Let your iPhone 15 turn back on. Now, unlock your iPhone 15 and see if the frozen screen is fixed now. If your device unfreezes, spend a few seconds doing an extra step. Some users send us feedback that they meet iPhone 15 freezing up issues every time they open one specific app. If you have the same issue, find the suspicious app. You can first update the app, and then uninstall or remove it if that won't work. 3. Force restart 15 using buttons. In the case where you can't restart an iPhone 15 because it's totally frozen, do a forced restart. This method only requires you to press buttons, and all your saved data will stay safe. Here are the steps. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for a while until you see the Apple logo. You can try more times if you can't succeed once. Hope you fix the iPhone 15 freezing and lagging problems and get it back to working order. 4. Unfreeze iPhone 15 via recovery mode. In recovery mode, your iPhone 15 will enter a safe troubleshooting status. Connecting the device to iTunes or Finder, you'll get two recovery options to fix system issues. One is to update the iOS, and the other one is to restore the iPhone to its factory defaults. This is also useful when your iPhone 15 keeps freezing and get the device unstuck from frozen status. Let us show you how to do that. Open the computer and run iTunes or Finder after installing it. Connect your iPhone 15 to the computer using a USB cable. Then, enter recovery mode on your phone. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Keep holding the power button even when you see the Apple logo screen. When you see a computer, a USB cable, and a link showing up on a black screen, release the power button. It's a recovery mode screen. Just repeat the steps to enter again if you fail. Once done, go to your computer. Now, iTunes or Finder on your computer can quickly connect to your iPhone 15 in recovery mode. A message dialog box should have popped up, offering Update and Restore 2 buttons. As mentioned before, the Update option is to upgrade iOS. The Restore option is to delete everything and factory reset the device. Try the Update feature first. If that won't work to unfreeze an iPhone 15, repeat the steps to factory reset the phone. Go through all the on-screen steps until it tells you that the update process is beginning. After your iPhone 15 finishes the update, inspect if the phone screen unfreezes and responds to Touch Now. 5. Send frozen iPhone 15 for repair. If you still need help after following all the solutions before, Apple's genius guys are right around the corner. Schedule a repair at the nearest Apple Service Center or Apple Authorized Service Center and then bring your frozen iPhone 15 there. If your device is still within Apple's standard 1-year warranty period, the repair could be free of charge. That's all for how to fix a frozen iPhone 15. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.